to another episode of Artistry Unleashed. I'm your host, Aman. In today's video, we are going to be exploring the power of color. For those of you who are coming new, just a little recap. So this is a 5-week art series for beginners who are wanting to learn how to start creating art. So in this playlist, we have episode 1 and episode 2. So if you haven't yet watched those, I suggest that you watch those before you start with today's video, as it will give you a better understanding on the fundamentals of creating art. The links are just up here for you, so be sure to click onto the link and watch the episodes that you haven't caught up on yet. And for those of you who are coming back, welcome back to episode 3 of Artistry Unleashed. I am so excited to share with you today's episode. But before we start, if you haven't yet, be sure to subscribe to this channel, hit that bell icon so you never miss any of my posts. Now, in today's episode, we are going to be diving into the world of color. When we see artworks, the first thing that we see is color. And I feel like that when you add color to art, see what importance color has in art. So today, I'm going to be teaching you the fundamentals of color, giving you an introduction on colors and how it impacts artwork. I honestly feel like, to put it in words, I feel like that color just brings life to artworks, if that makes sense. It gives it some sort of life. So without taking much of your guys' time, let's dive into the video, and without further ado, let's begin with today's video. So to start with today's lesson, we're gonna first start with introducing the primary colors. Now these are the 3 primary colors, and which most of us have probably been introduced about these colors in elementary school: red, yellow, blue, which is basically the main fundamental colors when it comes to making different shades of color. So now, since these are the primary colors, now we're going to take a look at these colors, which are green, purple, orange, being the secondary colors. To make it simpler, I'm just going to add on the 3 primary colors that I had mentioned earlier on this piece of paper. And once I have them displayed, now I'm going to be making different shades of color. And guess what, guys? Using the primary colors, I'm going to be making the 3 secondary colors that I had shown you, using only 3 of these colors. Let's begin. So if we're going to be mixing red and yellow, we are going to get the secondary color orange. Now, if we mix red with blue, the secondary color that we will get is purple. And lastly, to get the secondary color, which is the very last color, if we mix yellow with blue, we get green. Now, as you can see, that we have the 3 primary colors on the top and the secondary colors at the bottom. Now, using 6 of these colors, let's make some quick and easy drawings. Now, most of these drawings that I'm going to be making are basically going to be referring to our previous episodes where we got to learn about shapes. Let's do a quick activity by using some markers. So I'm going to start with first making a rainbow, since I already have all 6 of the colors that I need to make the rainbow. So I'm going to first start with adding in some red, then orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. And as you can see, a very simple, easy drawing using the 6 colors, which are our primary and secondary colors. Now I'm just going to be making a quick drawing. Now, as you can probably see, that this was a drawing that I had basically made when we were on episode 2, where we were learning about shapes. And I'm just making a flower, so you can see I'm using the shape circle, and I'm also using the shape oval as well to be making this flower drawing. Now, feel free to make any sort of other drawings that you want. You don't exactly have to make what I'm making right now. This is just an example that I'm giving. So just get creative and start drawing. And once that's complete, here it is. This was our lesson for today, learning about color and how color is used in our artworks. And that is it. I hope you all enjoyed watching today's video. If you guys did, don't forget to give this video a like. comment down below, let me know what other great videos you want to see on this channel, and also if there's any other sort of other topics that you want me to share in our next art series, because we still have 2 more videos to go. Be sure to comment down below and let me know. Also, if you want to share your beautiful artworks that you've created, you can tag me on Instagram. And if you want to watch more easy arts and craft videos, don't forget to follow me on TikTok as well. My socials are just up here, so be sure to give me a follow. I hope you guys enjoyed watching today's video. I will see you next in episode 4. If you haven't yet caught up on any of the previous episodes, the link is just up here, so be sure to catch up on any of the missed episodes. I will see you then. Take care, stay creative, and remember, your imagination has no limits. Take care, stay creative, and bye for now.